All Securikey key vault key cabinets come supplied with a Euro profile 5-pin security cylinder. This high quality cylinder offers up to 3,000 differs and comes supplied with 3 keys. Other locking options are available, such as dial, push button or electronic combination locking. All Securikey automotive cabinets come supplied with adjustable hook bars, which allow for unique garage customization. The hook bars have been specially double spaced and then staggered to accommodate large bunches of Virtual keys. A controlling indexing card has been included as standard for the instant identification of all Virtual keys. And for added security, this card can be removed at night to a secure location. Securikey can offer a 24 hook cabinet all the way through to a unit which will accommodate 100 sets of Virtual keys, making it the ideal solution for preventing lost, misplaced or the theft of Virtual keys. Securikey Key Vault offers improved security over our system cabinet range with its 3mm solid steel fabricated construction. The Key Vault door, lock and frame have all been reinforced to resist physical attack. All Key Vault units come in this light grey durable finish, making it ideal for the automotive trade.